Are you an Amazon seller dealing with work overload and stressed out with daily day-to-day tasks involving sales, marketing, and customer service? Are you currently dealing with account health violations and don't know what to do? Has your seller account been suspended or on the verge of suspension? If so, Mari Marketing is your #1 go-to e-commerce partner worldwide. With over 6 years of experience, our winning team has helped countless sellers just like you and can help you with a wide range of tasks, including Amazon account health issues you may be experiencing, along with winning reinstatement appeals that will get you selling again in no time. Mari Marketing also offers professional digital marketing services, Amazon FBA, and Walmart account management that will remove the hassle and stress you have been dealing with so that you can focus on what matters most to you while our team produces winning results for your store. Mari Marketing and our team are absolute experts in handling the daily day-to-day account operations, including things such as PPC management, social media marketing, and product image optimization as an example. Which is why we are the perfect solution for all your e-commerce and Amazon needs. Mari Marketing's results-driven, transparent, and no-nonsense approach is why customers continue to return and use our services time and time again. The proof is in the pudding, as we here at Mari Marketing like to say. So make it a win-win by contacting us for a 100% free consultation or visit us now at www.mari-marketing.com or call one of the toll-free numbers below to speak with us directly and see how we can help your store today.